My name is Jairo student engineering industry. What you are? I am free human beings. Why? Grand virtuous, stylish, and hard to work well. What are you? What are your strengths and what is? They are good. They are very responsible, perfection, strong, character. Say, do you add plans? Dog, continued education is and work, continue wide master and project manager. Say, what way do you think you are shooting for is possible for why for my good performance human kindness I am schooling hay uno chair posibles company J2M Ingeniería SAS at the national levels in Institute Descriptive Testing Market. What are your student goals? Master degree in project manager. What are your long-term goals? Position my company internationally. Plus describe your work experience manager of J2M engineering. What lines of manager positions are your habits to which challenges? What strengthens your work to times? Largest I am considering means a good large I am school how to motivate action to get change. What aspect can you let to improve in your professional area? Specials continue respect our string. What can you of work from your professional perfection minimizing impact of every moment damage in our industry be instruments company as. Bye.